Hey viewers, Corey here. Today I'm going to be doing a video over the House MCWs, or Mill Cold Weather. These are the mills that I put in my mill kit. That's in my nutritional facts. I'll take a picture of them, put them at the end, but this particular mill has 650 calories and a serving size is 1 pouch. So I have 16 ounces of water here. I'm going to add about half of it, see where we're at, and then in 10 minutes we'll chow down. So it's got 2 little tabs here to open it. Well, so I'm not sure what them tabs do, but it wasn't opening it up. Hey, get down, get down. My dog wants to be part of the video. Okay, so this has a really good seal. Oh wow. So I'm going to have to get a knife because I can't even open this up. So I know when you tear off the tabs, tear them down a good little amount. So I'll be back. Alright, scissors. Mountain House, great job on the seal. I don't think if you had gloves on though you could get this off. So we're just going to cut across here. Alright, so this is looking, we can see that, just like your standard, off the shelf at Walmart, freeze-dried meal. I'm looking to see if there's an oxygen absorber in it. I don't. So I don't see an oxygen absorber, and it doesn't mention one about taking one off or taking one out on the package. So, all right. So here's my hot water. So that's a little bit more than half. Take my MRE spoon here. Just kind of mixing it up with only about half the water in. It already smells really good. Alright, so there's 16 ounces of water. It's just enough water to cover it all up. I'll give it another stir. Alright. So I'm going to seal this up. I'm going to give it 10 minutes. Then we'll check it out. Alright guys, it's been exactly 10 minutes now. So I'm going to check it out. It still feels a little watery. So let's see what it looks like. Alright, I thought it was a little watery. It's not terrible. It's kind of like a really heavy soup consistency. It's steaming, so it's still pretty hot. So one of my worries when I bought all these meals was the seal on the bag, because obviously that's what's going to make the meal go bad, is for moisture and air to get in. I'm going to tell you right now, I have full faith in Mountain House's seal. When you rip it, you want to rip it down a good, like 2 or 3 inches. I only ripped a piece off about 1 inch. And I'm not a man yet, I guess. Let's see how this tastes. That's good. So after 10 minutes, exactly on the dot, open it up. Everything was reconstituted. Nothing was dry at all. That's pretty good. And it doesn't even need salt, which I'm the type of guy who I usually put salt on everything. So this makes me like the meals even more now. I'll get it poured out here. I got a bowl. Kind of let you guys see how the consistency of the meal is. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so after 10 minutes, I would say the consistency is more of a porridge, if I just compare it to something. There's not a lot of excess water sitting around. It's pretty much all food. This is the bowls, the bigger paper bowls that you buy at the grocery store, and it is completely full. So this is a really, really good portion, and it did say that it was 650 calories. So overall, I'm extremely pleased with the meal. But like I said, this seal, if you have gloves, I don't think you're going to be able to get this open. And I've been trying, and I cannot pull that apart. So I have full faith in the seal will hold. And if you're gonna, when you rip it off, yeah, you definitely want to rip down more into the bag by at least another inch or 2. Because I didn't even rip enough to where I could even get my fingers in there to spread it apart. So definitely Oregon freeze dried. Well played on that one. Alright, so I hope you guys like the review of the Mountain House MCW chicken and rice. Oh, I guess I should probably actually review the food itself. Really good portions of rice. I can definitely see meat in there. Looks like bell pepper, possibly. Red bell pepper. So yeah, I definitely see the red bell pepper. And it tastes great. It's not overly salty, but salt will not be needed to add to this. Yeah, everything's reconstituted great after the recommended 10 minutes. Nothing's crunchy. The rice isn't crunchy. The chicken, even in the middle, it's not dry. Oh yeah, it's definitely good. So, 16 ounces of water seems to be a really good bet. You could probably get by with maybe an ounce or 2 less if you like it a little more thicker. But I mean, overall, I think this is really good. Maybe just an ounce less of water next time. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. See you next time.